got a 2013 Audi A5. Really nice car. What we got down on it? Factory converter up there somewhere. Brought out the motor, then there's a resonator there we didn't take off. Then we took the secondary resonator off that was there and dualed it out from there. Custom duals all the way back, as you guys can see, on each side there. Then it goes around and there. He bought a different diffuser to make it quads, as you guys can see there. So it's a carbon fiber quad diffuser. And then we put these custom tips on it and go out the sides, quads. Right there, right there. Here's the part number on it. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it, okay? There's the part number there. There it is. Came out really nice, really clean. And this was what was on it. There was a resonator in the middle that we took off and put the Y pipe in its place. And there's the stock muffler that was on it. We took it off. So there it is. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys, we got a 2021 Audi A5 Quattro. We cut off both the resonators on it, left the rear mufflers on, and that's it. So I'll let you guys see it. Factory converter is somewhere up there. And this is where we took the first resonator off right here. Piece of 2.5 in its place. Factory piping, took off the second resonator there. We left the stock hanger, and then just added another hanger on the backside. Did that in 2.5 as well. And then out the factory rears right there and right there. There you guys go. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Wow. That sounds really nice. There's sound decibels. Right at 93, 94. Again? Go ahead and back it up. It looks good. I like it. That's how they all should sound. Man, that's clean. Let you guys hear it. Let you guys hear on the inside.
You can hear the turbo a lot now. Still extremely quiet. Sound decibels. Again. It hit 85, but I don't know if that was traffic or the car. Right now it's sitting 78, 80. It's a clean car. Fingers in the way. Did you guys hear it on the inside?
He's gonna do a custom downpipe and stage 2 tune. He's got a stage 1 now. He'll have a lot more barble and everything once he's done with it.